In this video, I'll show you how to get an Instagram API key 100% legally. To begin, open your browser and go to developers.facebook.com. Press enter, and this will take you straight to the Meta for Developers homepage. This is the official platform Meta provides for developers who want to connect apps or websites with Instagram in a fully legal and approved way. Before anything else, make sure you're logged in with a Facebook account because Meta requires this for identity verification and API management. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main developer dashboard. If this is your first time here, the page may look a bit technical, but the process to generate an API key is simple. Look for the green Create an App button and click on it. A window will appear asking you to choose your app type and name your app. This name is only for your internal dashboard, so it doesn't have to be complicated. But make sure you avoid using restricted words like Instagram in the app name, because Meta does not allow trademark usage in app titles. Choose something simple like New App or API Project, then click Next. Now you'll see different use cases that describe what your app might be used for. Since the goal here is to generate an API token, scroll down until you find the option labeled Other. Select it and click Next. Meta will now prepare your app, which might take a few seconds. You may also be asked to enter your Facebook password again as an extra security step, which is completely normal when creating a new developer application. Once everything loads, you'll be taken directly to your app dashboard. This dashboard lists all the available Meta products you can connect, including Instagram. Look for Instagram in the list and click Setup. This will bring you to the configuration page, where you need to link your Instagram account so the system can generate a valid token for it. Click the button to connect your account and sign in to the Instagram account you want to use with the API. A permission screen will pop up, asking you to authorize what Meta can access. Make sure to allow all the required permissions so the token can be generated without issues. After confirming, your Instagram account will show as connected inside your app. Next, you'll see an option called Generate Token. Click on this, and Meta will take you through one final confirmation to verify your access. Approve the permissions, wait a few seconds, and Meta will create your official Instagram API token. This token will appear on your screen, and you can copy it and use it in your project or integration right away. This method is completely approved by Meta, which makes it the safest and most reliable way to get an Instagram API key, without breaking any rules or risking your account. And that's how to get an Instagram API key 100% legally.